I got a request on how to do lipedema with Biboting machine, okay? So basically there's a couple different ways. It depends on your size, okay, your problem. So one way is doing with the regular cups, okay? And then the other way is doing with the wand. And then we have another way to do with the vibration cups. So I'm gonna show a little demo how this works. For you to see a result, you got to use a combination of these two. Okay, this is the cream and this is the detox oil. Because if you don't work with the oil, you can get a little bit of result. The result will not gonna be dramatic as you want it. So what we're gonna do is like first you have to lubricate your legs, okay? Because most people's problem is like right here, okay? And also like right here. So this is the two parts that we need to really focus at. Okay, so first you want to apply the cream. Some people mix the cream and the oil together, which I don't recommend it because the cream really penetrates because the oil doesn't get into the skin deeply. It sets on the surface. It locks in the cream inside. So you want to do the cream first and then apply the oil over, okay? And then don't be stingy. You don't have to be using so much that dripping all over, but you need to use enough amount that when we're glide the cups, the wand, it will not gonna damage your skin. So basically on the machine, we have a button that's blue and then a button that's red. So red is for suction. The blue is for negative ion. That's what they call 负离子. So what we need to do is to breaking down the fat right around here. Especially focus on this part, okay? And then focus on this part. So the fast way to do is with the wand. So we use the red only from the beginning. So if you're lazy, you can only work with this. But if you wanted to do the complete, you should use the regular cup, these cups afterward. So we're gonna turn on the red only. And on the wand, it also has buttons. The upper button is heat. So I like to use high heat. It depends on how sensitive your skin is. You decide which one to use. And the bottom is vibration. Okay, so I turn on both of them. And then the suction level, you're gonna put it on 10, okay? And how to do this, hurts. It's gonna hurt really bad. You want to put it as high as possible. What you want to do is you're gonna work upside down, okay? This can be really painful and you want to see it's turning red. Can you see it's turning red? Okay. That hurts. It's really painful, okay? When you do it, you want to put it up a little bit. Don't press it down. Pull it up. Okay. Okay, this can be hurts pretty badly, okay? No pain, no gain. Okay. I haven't been doing this for a long time, but I'm doing this for training somebody over online right now. And okay, see how red is it? And then you go down working on this side, okay? I wanted to cry. Okay, And especially right this area, it hurts so bad. Oh, okay. Oh, oh, I need to take a breath. Oh, I'm all sweating. So this is workout, okay? So you wanted to make sure all this part, I would not, if you want to, you can also work on the upper part, okay? Upper part is a little bit more tolerable, but you do not want to work the inside. The inside is 10 times painful than the outside, okay? So after this, see, it's all right now, right? This is called a warm up. Before you get in the cups on it, we wanted to bring the blood circulation onto the surface. Okay, so you should do longer time. I'm only doing it for like a minute to show you what to do. You want to work it on probably 5 to 10 minutes with this, okay? And now I'm gonna use the cups. You find the size, the cup size fits your body. For me, I'm gonna choose this size, which is 70. Okay, so now we're gonna turn the blue key too, and this is create a motion. Okay, so I'm gonna start it here. Oh, it might be hurt a lot. You're gonna want it to start like maybe around 5. This pressure level, put it on 5, and if it doesn't hurt you, mine doesn't have the number. You don't see the number anymore. You have to get really close. So it has numbers on this. Okay, you put it on 5. If it's too much, you decrease. If it's not enough, you increase. I'm gonna increase. You want to feel the pain. Okay, if no pain, no gain. If you don't feel the pain, it will not gonna work. So I'm actually on 8 right now. Okay, I feel at the borderline that I can't handle it. Okay, so you should do this for like about 2 minutes. Okay, and then I'm crisscross them. I'm gonna put it over here. Okay, so another 2 minutes. Okay, eventually, when you do this tomorrow morning, you could come up with bruises. Like, I'll put a picture here. This is the kind of bruise that you wanted to see. Okay, if you see this kind of bruise, that means it's working. It's really breaking down the nuts in there. Okay, and then you just keep moving to different places, and you want to cover up everything. Okay, and then after you finish this part, you're gonna do the bottom. Okay, I mean, you don't have to do it like I did. I do because I'm trying to get the angle shooting film. You can lay down. You can facing down on the bed, or you can lay on your back and then raise up your leg. I do it in my bed while I'm laying down on my back. So lift up my leg in this angle so I can do it. That part. Okay. So you just keep moving up. Okay, eventually if you're gonna do it regularly enough, like every other day or every 3 days, you're gonna notice that your skin, the lumps, the bumps is gonna start to going away. And then your skin's gonna start to shrink, okay? So you can either use just by itself moving around, that's a lot of work. You're gonna get tired. This is a little bit easier, you don't get that tired and feels kind of good. And so after you covers everything, you're done, okay? And then there's another way, if your leg is big enough, because a lot of people has like a really chunky, lipedema is like when they have like a giant chunky legs. You can actually use the vibration cup. Okay, you can do this first, always warm up, get you a better result, and then you just use this and cup it over, okay? This cup creates a vibration that's kind of like a tornado. It goes down deep into your system for about 8 centimeters deep. Okay, so it breaks down all the blockage, the nuts, the pocket. So it will bring the circulation to the up to the surface. And if you want just to be lazy and fast, this is also a really good choice. But a lot of people, they're not big enough to use this cup. But if you're big enough, use this cup instead of this cup. So this is basically the procedure, okay, for lipedema. And then if you can't actually work on your back, before you started this, result is even better. So it's a combination of how this thing works. And if you have any questions or you wanted to get a private class, let me know. So so I hopefully this video helps you in a way. All right.